Hello everyone, and welcome. How are you doing? It's been a very different summer for many of us. For me, moving my body has felt very difficult during this time. Today, we're going to learn all about dance. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be fabulous. Pour yourself a glass of lemonade and enjoy. I really must introduce myself. Finally! Hello, my name is Jacobi. I'm a dancer and dance filmmaker. I love dancing so much. Sometimes I almost can't stop.
Excuse me, the music ended.
What is dance? And why do you like doing it? Let's take a look at so many different types of dance. That's a type of dance. Yep, that too. Oh, very cool. You've probably seen this type of dance before. I still don't think I've listed all the kinds of dance. Let's check out some performance types that might be related to dance. Well, they don't call this dance, but they sure are moving their bodies. This seems to use some aspects of dance. So dance can be a lot of different things. What is dance? I think that dance is a combination of movement and imagination. But why is it so enjoyable? It makes my body feel good to move. Pretty simple, right? I like when my brain feels creative. To go from stillness to movement, my brain honestly just did a lot of quick thinking there. I enjoy that. I don't get it. Tell me more. There is one more thing that I really think I like about dancing. Sometimes I have inner thoughts and feelings which I don't yet know how to say in words. By putting them into movement in my body, I can share them with you and you can see what I'm thinking. Let's test this theory. What do you see happening in this scene? I'm noticing the dancer seems to be feeling sad or perhaps lonely. Now check out a different scene. What do you notice? I'm sensing this dancer is very happy. He might be celebrating something as he dances. You may think that dance happens on a stage, but dance could happen in nature. Dance could happen on a city street. Dance could even happen in your kitchen. Dance break. Time for a couple really famous dances.
I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up, live it! Two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him through the whole.
Okay, back to me. Listen up. I love to dance in my home. I love to combine dance and video. I try to dance in my apartment every day and film it. All this footage means that I have a lot of stuff that I've made in my apartment. I've also made some fun dances with friends. Check it out. As you can see, I've put my hair up. That's because I'm getting ready to dance. I need to get into whatever outfit is right for the type of dance that I'm doing. This outfit is what I typically wear if I'm teaching jazz class. Dancers do large bending motions and jumps before they begin class, so their bodies are ready to do cool stuff, but still in a healthy way. Once I feel warm, I'll do some stretching. Dancers do the splits not just because it's cool. They do it so they can do beautiful, big leaps all the way across the dance room. This has been really fascinating and, dare I say, relaxing. Next, it's your turn to dance. Stay in touch with me. See what I'm up to on Instagram at jacobi.alvarez. You can also check out my Vimeo channel where I have a bunch of my dance films.